Hello, String Time students. I'd like to review Jingle Bells with you so that you can understand every note. So the first thing to remember is to hold the violin with your wrist away and make sure you hold the bow properly with the thumb bump on the bottom and lean your hand this way. Put the bow about one finger away from the bridge. And when you play Jingle Bells, there's 4 notes where you have to change the strings. You have to play 2 on the D, then you have to go up bow and play A, then D. This is part of Jingle Bells. The beginning goes. That's real easy, but the next measure, you have to play 2 on the D, go down bow, roll to the A, then move your bow. Then roll to the D, move your bow. Then put 1 on the D. So do those 4 notes over and over again. 2, roll to the A, go up. Roll to the D, go down. And then 1. And if you practice those 4 notes when you play Jingle Bells, then it'll sound like Jingle Bells. So let's try from the beginning. 2, 2, 2. 2, 2, 2. Keep changing your bow. 2, A, D, 1, 2, 2. Now you put 3 down. 2 and 3 touch. 2, 1, 1, 2, 1. Roll to the A, go up. And page 2. Same thing. 2, A, D, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 2, 2, 2. Roll to the A. Roll back to the D. Put down 1, 2, 3.